All right, so me, I have to tell you, so I've been in Lake Geneva for a few days. This was my favorite experience.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
This was just the neatest, the coolest thing. We just finished up a tour on a mail boat. And so tell people exactly like what is the mail boat?
Well, I've grown up in Lake Geneva my whole life, and it's every kid's dream job to be the mailboat jumper. So I started working here when I was 17, and you have to work here for 1 year before you're allowed to try out. Then I tried out 3 times, and this year was my 3rd time trying out, but this was my 1st year actually making it, getting the job. So it was really exciting to finally get this job and get to experience this awesome tradition. So for over 100 years, people on the lakefront have been getting their mail delivered by boat. It started off over 100 years ago because there wasn't a road around the lake, and now we just keep doing it as a tradition. But there's over 55 deliveries. What happens is the boat will drive up as close as they can get to the pier. The mail jumper will jump off the boat with the mail in their hand, put the mail in the mailbox, and then make the jump from the pier back onto the boat. But the boat usually doesn't stop moving because we got to keep things going up 55 piers to get to. So it's a lot of fun to watch, but it's also a lot of fun as the mailboat jumper.
And people are going to ask this question, what kind of shoes do you wear?
Today I'm wearing On Clouds. I just actually got them at a store downtown in Lake Geneva. Today they're pretty wet because I jumped in the lake, but yeah.
Here's the thing, Mia, I also wear On Clouds and I couldn't do what you do. So no, this is awesome. I can't tell you how cool this is. So you have to do this.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.